Hey there, today I have a free assembly denim haul for you and review. So earlier I did a video on free assembly, which if you're not familiar is a in-house brand from Walmart that's supposed to be more sustainable and it seems a little more high-end. And you know, I was actually really impressed with that brand. It kind of reminded me a little of Madewell, but a lot cheaper. And I just decided I wanted to do a follow-up and try out some of their denim. So I did purchase 3 pairs of jeans and also some denim joggers just to see how it is and you know what the quality was like and how they fit. And for reference, I am pretty petite. I'm 5'1", and I noticed this line, they don't have petite sizes. They did have short, so I did try when possible to purchase the short sizes. But anyway, just wanted to share what I got with you. So let's see how it looked. Okay, so first off, I got a pair of mid-rise bootcut jeans. So see, these have like a boot cut, and here they are. Okay, and this is the Free Assembly Women's Essential Mid-Rise Bootcut Jean, and it was $27, and I got it in a size 6 short, and this one actually had 176 reviews and 4.3 stars. So it actually did have some pretty good reviews. This one is 90% organic cotton, 8% elasto multi-stir, and 2% elastane. And it says it's machine washable. And it says the mid-rise is approximately 32 inches, and that's for the regular. So I measured the short and it's 30 inches, so it's 2 inches shorter. Okay, so these jeans, I actually thought they were pretty nice, and they just were really long, right? So I tried them on and I rolled one side so you could see how long it was. I think for me, if it's 30 inches, it's like 4 inches too long. And I also rolled under one side so you could kind of see what it looked like if it was the right length. I mean, I don't know if you guys, but back in the day when I was younger, I used to always roll my jeans under if they were too long because I was too lazy to hem them. But yeah, honestly, I don't think anyone does that anymore that I know of. Yeah, but I like that they had a kind of a nice even wash, and it's pretty stretchy, but it seems like a substantial denim. And so it was pretty flattering. And even though it was a mid-rise, you know, I usually prefer high-rise, but the mid-rise I thought it still looked pretty nice. And I did try everything on for this try-on with a white t-shirt, and I used the same white t-shirt for all of the try-ons just because I thought that would be a good way to kind of showcase the jeans. And these jeans I chose because recently I purchased a pair of jeans from Madewell that I really love, and those are the demi bootcut jeans, and you might have seen me wear them in some of my try-ons. So that, yeah, this was a kind of recent purchase for this year because I was looking for a pair of non-skinny jeans. And these demi bootcut, they're kind of similar, I think, to these, except like, of course, this is a cropped, right? It's a bootcut, but it's a cropped, it's a demi, so it already had a 26-inch inseam. So I do really like these, but these set me back a lot, right? It was $135. Yeah, I know they're a lot, right? So $135 versus $27, not exactly the same, I would say. These are a little thicker, and they're definitely more stretchy. The fabric content on the Madewell is 95% cotton versus 90. It is 3% other fiber. Not sure what that is. That's probably like the elastiometer or whatever, and 2% elastane. But yeah, if you're looking for something with this boot cut, you know, this might be an option, but if you're my height, you'll probably need to hem it. Okay. But I'll put links to all of the clothes featured in this video, including my Madewell splurges, in case you're interested. Okay, and next, I got these 90s straight leg jeans. And you'll see they do have some distressing. And these are the Free Assembly Women's Original 90s Straight Jeans, and I got them in a size 6 short, and they were $27. And these had 90 reviews and 3.9 stars. So not quite as highly rated as the other pair of jeans, but still pretty good. Okay, and these are 99% organic cotton, 1% elastane, machine washable. It says the inseam is 28.5 inches long, and that's actually for the regular. So the short would be about 2 inches shorter, so about 26.5 inches. So that's a better inseam length for me. And yeah, so these were actually not a bad length. You know, they weren't like 4 inches too long like the other were, but I did kind of roll them. I think it looks a little cuter if you roll them and make it more of an ankle. I have been looking for mom jeans for a couple years now, and I've not found one that I really liked. These are very authentic in that the denim is super thick and it doesn't have a lot of stretch. So being somebody who lived through the 90s, I know, yeah, this is what we wore. I do kind of like these. I mean, although we did not wear jeans that had rips in them. But you know, I don't really mind them, even though, yeah, I typically don't go for jeans with rips, because if I were to wear them, say, to the office, like a business casual, you do not wear this. These, you have to wear clean denim, right? But this would be nice for like the weekend, and I think it's kind of like a little bit more on trend, and for $27, you know, that's not a bad price to invest in something that is kind of more on the trendy side. Okay, and next, I got a very interesting pair of retro flare jeans. Very flared. And these are Free Assembly women's retro flare jeans. They were $27, and I got a size 4. They did say they ran a little on the big side. So I sized down to 4, and there were 46 reviews and 4.4 stars. And this one is 98% cotton, 2% elastane, machine washable, and it has a 27-inch inseam. So this one didn't have the short, so I just went with yeah, size 4. And yeah, these are interesting. They have these front pockets, which I'm not a huge fan of, especially since it has like white contrast stitching. So it has these front pockets, and it has very similar looking pockets in the back. They're cute. I would say they kind of look like sailor pants maybe, I don't know. So for me, I could wear these without hemming, and I would just have to wear maybe a slight heel. And this style actually, I think, can make you look a little taller. What I wasn't a fan of was, yeah, these front pockets were a little, to me, distracting, and it would have been better if they just didn't have these, or if they had like just navy colored thread, I think. There's another wash of this called New Vintage Black. I think that could work, but that one wasn't available in my size, unfortunately. But I kind of like the idea of these jeans, and I just wanted to try these. I thought they were fun, but probably not for me, but maybe for somebody else. Okay, and lastly, I got a pair of denim joggers. So these are the Free Assembly women's denim joggers. They were $25. I got them in a size extra small because I did read that they run sort of big. And they had 10 reviews and 4.3 stars. So yeah, that was pretty good reviews. I got the dark classic wash. And this one is 68% cotton, 29% polyester, 3% elastane, machine washable, and the inseam is 26 inches. Yeah, so for this one, I thought the length was okay. Although I think it would have been cuter if it was more cropped, but then since I'm only 5'1", you know. I thought they were pretty nice. So they have a good amount of stretch to them. These are very stretchy, way more stretchy, I think, than most of the other ones. So these are a good alternative to just wearing regular joggers, say for your very casual outings on the weekend or whatever. Yeah, overall, you know, I thought these were pretty nice and a good buy for $25. Okay, and real quick, just wanted to add a bonus item to this video, and this is not Free Assembly, this is actually Madewell. So I was at the Madewell store yesterday. I was just doing my thing. I was at Ala, and I always kind of like to check out Madewell. It's one of my favorite stores, honestly, although I don't have a lot of stuff from Madewell, but I do really like the style and the quality. So I went in and I saw this. And it's a shacket, right? And I had been looking at Old Navy's website earlier, and I saw they had a shacket, so I was going to check out the Old Navy shacket, but then when I was in Madewell, I saw this one. And then later I went to Old Navy and checked out their shacket, but this one was so much nicer. They have different ones, you know, like they had a corduroy one, but this is just a nice, almost like a sweatshirt, but really cute, right? And you see how it has these pockets. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you because I really like this. It was a splurge, and I got the extra small. I tried on both the small and the extra small. This does run a little big, and this was $88, so it was kind of a splurge, yeah. But I just wanted to share it with you. It's like a nice, I think, transitional piece for fall. And here in Hawaii, it doesn't really get that cold, but you know, I can still use this like in the mornings or in the evenings. So yeah, just thought I'd share. Also, maybe one day if I ever go to the movies, I think this would be something to just bring along and for warmth. So as an alternative to a, it's like a sweater. I don't know if you can hear my dog, Kaya. She snores really loud. Or maybe even for travel, because this is something you can just bring along, wear on the plane or whatever. Yeah. Okay, so that's all I have for my free assembly denim haul and review. And you know, overall I actually was pretty impressed. Not sure what I'll be keeping, probably the mom jeans. Thinking also about maybe keeping these joggers, because I thought, you know, they're kind of fun. And yeah, just for like kicking around, very casual. But let me know if you guys have tried this free assembly brand and what you think of it, and if you've tried the denim. You know, it hasn't been around that long, and you know, I'm kind of interested to see what else they come up with. So I've been kind of like, you know, going back to the Walmart website every now and then and kind of seeing, and there's so many things I want to try, but I have to have restraint. But anyway, that's all I have for today. So now I'm going to bring one of my two furry, fluffy companions who are both sleeping to help me say goodbye. And I think I'm going to wake up Sleeping Beauty, Miss Kaya, who is the one that's making all the snoring noises. I don't know if you can hear it. Kaya? And here she is, Miss Kaya. She has sleepy eyes, yeah? But anyway, yes. She, for some reason, snores a lot. I don't know. Sammy doesn't snore, you know? But Kaya, I think it's because she has a short nose, right? When we first were choosing which puppy to get, because there were 4, right? And Kaya wasn't my first choice, actually. I was going to pick the other little puppy that had a longer nose, but my younger daughter saw Kaya and said, I want the one with the short nose. And that's how we got Kaya. And she does have a really short, a smushed face, you know? And I think that's why she snores. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching these kind of videos, please consider subscribing. I'll see you next time.